Let's take a look at updating items in the code editor. Another year has gone by and our friend Destiny is a year older. We also met another friend, Cole, who has the same birthday as Destiny. We want to make a card for them this year using the card we made last year as a template. Let's head to the editor to see how we can make this happen. Here we have our card from last year, and we'd like to update some values in the list to reflect the new card we want to make. The first thing we want to update is the 14 to a 15. This is the value at index 1. So before I call any of my write item functions, I can use message at 1 and set it equal to 15. Let's see if that works. Great. The next thing I want to do is update the last value in the list to say Destiny and Cole instead of just Destiny. Instead of counting from the beginning of my list to get the positive index value, I can just use -1, since I know it's the last item in the list. And I want that to say Destiny and Cole. Let's see how it works. Perfect. Now it's your turn to use this in some Tracy programs of your own.